Oh, these are looking good. Just put them on the plates really gently, delicately. Whoa. For the next air fryer breakfast snack idea, I'm going for these frozen croissants. We've got these in the UK from Aldi, but I bet you can find some wherever you are. I'm going to turn on the air fryer. 160 has come up, so I'm going to set the time for probably for 12 minutes, just to check how that goes. And I'm doing 3 croissants. We are about halfway through now, so let's see how it's going. Oh, the camera's a bit wobbly. Wow, these are looking pretty good. They're on their way. Keep them going. I think I'll flip them over just so they get cooked all the way around. Let's see what happens if I turn them over. So we get a nice even cooking on there. Let's see how it looks. Oh, these are looking good. Just put them on the plates really gently, delicately. Whoa. Yeah, I'm calling that a success. Dad delivers success. Let's cut into them now and see. So I've got my daughter on camera there. Good work. Let's cut into one and see how it's come out, and then we'll know that everything's okay. Oh, obviously it's collapsing. Yeah, I'd say that's a success. That's looking pretty cooked. For frozen croissants, I would say try 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for 14 minutes. You might want to try 16 minutes, depending on how big they are and how many you've got.